Well, we're back right here in the studio, and we have a phone call right now with Dr. Fatema Alrashed. And Dr. Fatema is a scientist in the Immunology and Microbiology department at Dasman Diabetes Institute. Good evening, Dr. Fatema.
Good evening.
How are you tonight?
I am very fine. Thank you very much. And
That's
thank you
great.
for having me here today.
It's a pleasure to have you with us, and congratulations, Dr. Fatema, on being one of the winners of the Jabir Al-Ahmed Prize for Young Researchers. Please tell our audience about this award and what it means to you, please.
Oh, thank you very much. I am very excited and humbled for being one of the awardees of this amazing award. Jabir Ahmed Award is an award given by KFAS in an annual setting, and it's an award that will recognize young researchers in different fields, not only in biology. So, yeah, it's a very exciting moment for myself.
Well, congratulations on this very prestigious award. Right now, Dr. Fatema, can you please tell our audience a little bit about yourself, where you went to school and your research, and the work you do at Dasman Diabetes Institute, which was founded by the Kuwait Foundation for the Advancement of Sciences, KFAS.
I did my PhD in Nottingham University in the UK, and shortly after I graduated, I joined Dasman Diabetes Institute as a postdoc in the Immunology and Microbiology department. From that point on, it was like the takeoff for my research career, where I get myself involved in research where it looks into lipid metabolism and inflammation that is seen as an issue with diabetic individuals.
So, Dr. Fatema, you have won many prestigious awards, including UNESCO's L'Oreal Award for Women in Science. Tell us about this award, please.
Yeah, this is another exciting moment in my life. I think I have been blessed with amazing working group around me that actually helped me to kind of flourish within my career. The L'Oreal Award was an award that recognized females in research, and this is actually one of the issues that we usually face as a female scientist. So it was one of those moments where, as your work can be actually recognized into a more kind of an equal platform where everybody can see what you can do.
And you have tell us now about the work environment. You have a very nice work environment at Dasman Diabetes Institute. Can you elaborate on that?
Yeah, I can't complain. I joined the Immunology department under the supervision of Dr. Ahmad. And he was an amazing mentor. So for the past 8 years, I've been working within his department. I actually went from a postdoc to a scientist too at the moment. And I've learned a lot of things, not only to kind of build up my research career, but actually to manage even my work and my time in a proper manner. I think this amazing platform, and not only within my department, but also under the whole DDI or Dasman Diabetes Institute set up under Dr. Qais al-Duwari, our past Director General, and Dr. Fahd al-Mullah, the Chief Scientist for Research. The support they gave us to have this free thinking, to have this, let's say, in an environment where you can go and just do whatever you want to do when it comes to work, like give everything you have. So it's an amazing opportunity, to be honest.
Well, that's great. I'm glad that you're flourishing and doing very well. Dasman Diabetes Institute is a well-known institute in Kuwait as well as the region. Maybe now you could tell our audience a little bit about your field of immunology and microbiology, what it's about, please, for our audience.
We actually look at the intricate of the immune system and why it fails in diabetic individuals. My niche of work usually kind of focus into bioactive lipids because fatty acid or lipids actually work as a signal for these inflammatory markers. So by understanding how the immune system fails, we can actually develop a therapeutic strategy for diabetes and even diseases similar to diabetes that fall under metabolic syndrome, similar like to obesity. Now, even though we work with lipid metabolism, we also like to kind of collaborate to other individuals where we put our strengths to them. So we do collaboration with Kuwait University Mycology Department, and this is where the microbiology kind of fall into the work that we're doing. And now we're trying to understand why certain pathogens that are very unharmful for normal individuals kind of cause a lot of issue in diabetic individuals because of lack of immune surveillance within the immune system in these individuals.
Very interesting work that you're doing there at DDI. And now, Dr. Fatema, what would you like to say to the young girls who are watching right now who would like to get involved in science and research?
I would like to tell them that research is fun. And actually having the ability to let your mind just go freely into thinking about the issue we're having and different strategy to figure out the solution for them is an intricate thing that you should do, because it opens up the horizon of thinking. It makes you think outside the box. Research is definitely the ultimate thing that we should kind of aim for if we want to advance in this life. And it's not only a chore or a job that I have to go to. The logic in thinking, the way that we have to solve the problem that we face every day, kind of give us this the ability to not only advance within our thinking, but actually make us into more how would I would say it, like more into the a better in dealing with the problem that we face.
That's great to hear that, Dr. Fatema. I'm sure the audience watching and listening can sense your enthusiasm for your work, and congratulations once again on this very prestigious award that you recently won, which was given by the Kuwait Foundation for the Advancement of Sciences, KFAS. Congratulations once again.
Thank you very much. And I'm also grateful for Kuwait Foundation of Science. They are one of the biggest supporters of education in Kuwait. They give you all the opportunity, and not only this Jabal Ahmed Award that they offer, but they offer different grants for young students, for young researchers to do even I think they have even PhD grants that they can give. This is an amazing support, not only for researchers, but also for the education in the country.
That's right. They're doing an amazing job. And once again, thank you so much, Dr. Fatema, and wish you all the best of luck in your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. We'd like to thank our distinguished guest, Dr. Fatema Alrashed, a scientist in the Immunology and Microbiology Department at Dasman Diabetes Institute, which was founded by the Kuwait Foundation for the Advancement of Sciences, KFAS, for her time with us this evening.